there's one way they get coming up, I must leave now.
You must take my house. You must take my house.
Please, it's for get what I'm saying.
Get
what I'm saying. It is important that you listen to all of us today who are campaigning to the president and get what we are saying, because that's what we need. People are suffering in this country, and we want to end this suffering. We will unite and unite. Remember what I said now. We will secure and unite this country. We want to secure and unite the country. Today, people are hungry. People are hungry because they have no job. They don't know what to do. Our youth, our youth are not doing anything. They are saying what we want to do is to ensure that we move the country from consumption to all of you have done. Even though our youth have done. We will do a sport. Our men are to know our Pokemon. We assure you, next year's election for Executive.
La 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 la.